They call me the bar breaker. You should kick me out of the club. I'm a big bad wolf. I'm a Jameson thug. Today's cocktail is bar breaker, a Jameson Old Fashioned. My name is Carl, and welcome to Alchemix, where I'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. One day I was perusing the shelves of a local liquor store and found a bottle of Jameson Black Barrel and thought, I could do something with this. When I buy Jameson, the first thought that comes to my mind is Prof. Prof is an independent rapper from Minneapolis who should literally be sponsored by Jameson because several of his songs, videos, and photos have lyrics showcasing this Irish whiskey. My wife and I have been fans of Prof for the past 6 years. We've gone to see more than 12 of his live shows because of his energy, stage presence, and his obvious love for the music. When I use the Jameson Black Barrel to create a variation of an old fashioned, Prof songs get stuck in my head. Taking that inspiration, I made Bar Breaker, named after the song off his 2015 Liability album. Like Prof, I wanted the drink to have a great presence and hold up on its own. That's why the Jameson Black Barrel caught my eye. The double char of notes of vanilla and nut make it a great base spirit for an old-fashioned variation. Demerara sugar has excellent notes of toffee and caramel that enhance the Jameson, but doesn't overly sweeten it. For this cocktail, you can choose to either make a Demerara simple syrup or use a cube. Either way works just fine, but for mine, I made the simple syrup. To help give this Jameson Old Fashioned some depth, I use ginger bitters, orange bitters, and Angostura bitters. The ginger bitters adds a little snap and spice. For garnish, a simple lemon twist gives the drink a citrus bite while complementing the ginger bitters. Music has always been a massive part of my life. Lyrics, guitar riffs, bass lines, really anything music involved has inspired me. You will probably begin to notice that many Alchemix originals are going to have music ties in one way or another. Use whatever inspires you in life and create your own voice. Thanks for watching our recipe for Bar Breaker. We would appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. Shake things up.